This 1956 Olympia SM3 DeLuxe Typewriter has been refurbished and it is ready to play. This 1956 Olympia SM3 DeLuxe has been refurbished. Everything works on it as it should. The finish is a little bit worn. Has a few nicks and spots on it. So, spot here. The lid on the upper left corner has a couple spots. There's a scrape here under the carriage. On the same one, under the carriage on the other side, it's also scraped. There's a little spot above the P. The keys on these are a little bit unusual. I think they're a black color. Most of these have dark green keys. They look real nice. And the type's really great. It's got a fast action to it. The back looks pretty good. There's some scrapes. That's a little bit faded. This typewriter also comes with its original case and also the original user's manual, which is pretty worn, as you'd expect from 1956. So I'm also including a reprinted user's manual. And I also have the original bill of sale, which is dated January 26, 1957, for $129.06. Which inflation adjusted to today's dollars would be over $1,000. Well, that was kind of interesting. The case is somewhat worn. It has been cleaned, and it is solid, and it does latch well. It does have some nicks and spots on it and wear. The inside also has some spots and stains. And these rubber feet on the bottom of the case, they're completely wore out. But they're really not necessary. But they're definitely gone. But it looks pretty good overall from 1956. That's for the Olympia SM3.